Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the foundation. Pick a flat plot and align paths so guests move smoothly. Place the entrance and essential stalls immediately. This establishes income and guest needs. Once done, add at least one restroom and food vendor near the entry to raise satisfaction quickly. Make sure to test walkways and adjust spacing. Poor flow costs guests patience and money. Knowing how traffic funnels lets you avoid blockages and increases early revenue, so prioritize flow over decoration at first. You now design rides and scenery with purpose. Select ride templates, then tune intensity, price, and capacity to match your target audience. While building, add queues with benches, shade, and scenery items because happier guests wait longer and spend more. Once the core rides run, zone nearby areas with cohesive theming to raise scenery scores and increase overall park value. Make sure to place staff stations nearby. Mechanics and janitors cut downtime and litter, which directly preserves ride uptime and guest satisfaction. You finish by optimizing operations. Watch analytics for income, satisfaction, and ride reliability, and tweak prices and staff levels accordingly. Once profits cover maintenance, expand with new attractions and research upgrades to diversify appeal. Make sure to run a/B tweaks. Change one variable at a time so you can tell what works. If things go wrong, first inspect path connectivity, staff coverage, and guest target settings. These common issues explain most drops in revenue and satisfaction and are fast to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.